Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Gemini Nano Banana aspect ratio problems when creating images. So if you're struggling with weird image size in Gemini's Nano Banana, here I'm going to show you how you can instantly fix those annoying aspect ratio problems. So let's just click on or go to the Gemini first. So the first one that you can do is to check the prompt settings. So always specify the exact aspect ratio in your prompt. For example, 16 by 9, 1 by 1, or 9 by 16. You can also use clear words like white landscape 16 by 9 or square portrait. So let's try generate an image of a cat wearing a red hat. Okay, in 1 by 1 portrait size. Okay, you can try this and then hit on enter and just wait until the image is generated and see if the problem occurs. So as you guys can see, the image is now in portrait like this. If it still doesn't work, you can use resize option. If Nano Banana ignores your ratio, you can generate a default size first and then use built-in upscale or resize tool to correct it. Or you can also use external quick fix. You can export your image, run it through free resizer tools like Canva, Figma, or AsGIF, and keeps the quality while matching your project's aspect ratio. So that's how you can instantly fix Nano Banana aspect ratio problems. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.